we are exposing ourselves, and these companies are getting hacked, right? So the situation that we are in right now, it is very, very grave.
From few mistakes, some coding relatives, and the hackers to find out this coding error. If hackers got your coding error, he easily to be enter on your application and crash your applications.
Okay, so doors. So something like that might be there in the network also, in these devices also. So there are doors. You know what these doors are called in the devices, systems? Not exactly. No. Come more to the layman point. What do we have in the systems? Do you know ports? You've seen ports, right? So these are the doorways, okay, into a system, right? So we get into a system through the port.